Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your NFTs on Coinbase using an easy method. First, ensure your digital collectible is in a compatible Web3 wallet, such as Coinbase Wallet or MetaMask. Then, connect this wallet to the Coinbase NFT marketplace. This initial step is crucial for accessing your assets and preparing them for sale. It's a straightforward process designed for quick setup. Once your wallet is connected, you will see your collection of NFTs. Carefully browse through your digital assets and select the one you intend to sell. Double-check all the details, including the artwork, description, and collection name, to ensure it is the correct item. This verification helps prevent any accidental listings and ensures accuracy for potential buyers. Now, it's time to set your listing preferences. You can choose to sell your NFT at a fixed price or through an auction, allowing buyers to bid. Input your desired selling price, typically denominated in Ethereum. Remember to consider any associated gas fees for the transaction and the platform's service charge, which is often a small percentage, like 2.5%. After setting your price and reviewing all details, you will need to approve the listing transaction via your connected wallet. This final confirmation publishes your NFT to the Coinbase marketplace, making it visible to a global audience. Keep an eye on your active listings and be ready to respond to offers. You can adjust prices or cancel listings as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.